My name is Adam Levy, and this is my workshop for Learn Jazz Live 2021. My workshop is called Writing Vibrant Contrafacts. If you don't know what a contrafact is, it's simply a new melody composed over an existing set of chord changes, commonly the chord changes from a popular song or standard. I do want you to think of these as compositions, as tunes that you could go on to play with your group or at a jam session or even just on your own. They should have a sense of lasting value, as any good composition does. They shouldn't just be sketchy exercises, but they should be something that really sounds like music. So I strive for that, and you should strive for that too. And I hope you've got some ideas that you can take with you as you continue to grow and develop as a player, as a composer.